Since 20 years, we've been working in Mallorca with international patients from all around the world. With the highest levels and expectations, we're specialized in periodontal, implants, and aesthetic treatments. We've always wanted to give the best treatment and care to our patients. In dental clinics, we produce aerosols in almost all of our treatments, spreading virus and bacteria in the air. In Corona times, patients ask us how we protect them from the virus. So besides all the safety care the Spanish government has ordered, we decided to take one step further and trust in Trotec air filter. Trotec air filter cleans the air with a HEPA filter, which then cleans the filter with heat approximately 100 degrees. It renovates the air of the room every 3 minutes and it's silent to our patients. Our patients now feel more secure and safe with Trotec air filter.